Hello students, welcome to A1 English channel. Today, you are going to practice a one-word story. And the name is kite. At the end of the video, there will be one beautiful song for kite. There are lots of new words that you will learn. So watch the video till the end. But before starting this video, just listen to me very carefully. To be fluent in English, you should definitely use these sentences in your daily life. For better practice, verbs and helping verbs are also highlighted in the sentence. You must give at least 10 minutes to the videos for practice. I have to must say, jitna bologe, utna sikhoge. On this channel, you will get most valuable content for practice and daily videos are uploaded. So for daily practice, must subscribe this channel. Now, let's practice. बंटी घर में बैठा हुआ पिताजी का इंतजार कर रहा था. Bunty was sitting at home, waiting for his dad. क्योंकि आज पिताजी बंटी के लिए पतंग जो खरीद कर लाने वाले थे. Because today, Dad was going to buy kites for Bunty. घर की डोरबेल बजी. The doorbell of the house rang. बंटी दौड़कर दरवाजा खोलने गया. Bunty ran to open the door. बंटी ने पिताजी के हाथों से पतंग ले ली. Bunty took the kite from Dad's hand. बंटी पतंग को देखकर बहुत खुश हो गया. Bunty was very happy to see the kite. लेकिन अब वह पतंग को नहीं उड़ा सकता क्योंकि अंधेरा हो चुका था. But now, he could not fly the kite because it was dark. बंटी ने पतंग को खिड़की के पास रख दिया. Bunty put the kite near the window. रात में तेज बारिश हुई. It rained heavily in the night. सुबह बंटी की आंख खुली. Bunty's eyes opened in the morning. उसने देखा कि पतंग पानी में भीग चुकी थी. He saw that the kite was drenched in water. बंटी गीली पतंग देखकर उदास हो गया. Bunty got sad, seeing the wet kite. तभी माँ की आवाज आई, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, तुम उदास मत हो. Then the mother's voice came, no problem son, don't be sad. माँ के हाथों में गोंद, कागज और झाड़ू की तीलियां थी. Mother had glue, paper, and broomstick in her hands. चलो हम अपनी पतंग खुद बनाते हैं, माँ ने कहा. Let us make our own kite, mother said. दोनों ने झटपट पतंग बना ली. Both of them quickly made kite. पतंग पर लिखा, बंटी और माँ की पतंग. It was written on the kite, Bunty and mother's kite. Students, now, you are going to get a beautiful song on kite. Lots of new words are here that you would learn today. So watch the sentences very carefully. And of course, you enjoy it as well. Let's start. ए धील दे दे रे भैया. Let the string go loose, oh brother. उस पतंग को ढील दे. Go easy on that kite. जैसे ही मस्ती में आए. When it comes in a good position. उस पतंग को खींच दे. Then pull that kite. ढील दे दे रे भैया. Let the string go loose, oh brother. तेज है. It's sharp. मांझा अपना तेज है. Our string is sharp. उंगली काट सकती है, बाबू हो. Your finger can get a cut, oh boy. तो पतंग क्या चीज है रे? Then what is a kite in front of it? ढील दे दे रे भैया. Let the string go loose, oh brother. तेरी पतंग तो गई काम से. Your kite is gone. कैसे कटी, उड़ी थी शान से. How did it get cut? It was flying nicely. चल सरक, अब खिसक. Now shift, move. तेरी नहीं थी वह पतंग. It was not your kite. वह तो गई किसी के संग. It's gone with someone else. ओह गम न कर. Don't feel sad. घुमा फिर की तू फिर से गर. Turn the spool again. आसमान है तेरा प्यारे. The sky is yours, my beloved. हौसला बुलंद कर. Set your ambitions high. ढील दे दे रे भैया. Let the string go loose, oh brother. Students, if you want more videos like this, then tell me in the comment. If you like this video, then like, share the video, and subscribe the channel.